Do you wish to make money just like this right here with CPA marketing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use other people's content legally and make that content actually go viral and also make money with CPA marketing. So do make sure that you watch this video to the end and learn this exact same strategy, because it's also going to be a beginner friendly strategy and 100% free strategy. So make sure you do watch this video right here to the end and take advantage of this to start making money with CPA marketing in the year 2023 and beyond. With that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all, guys, you want to just simply select a CPA marketing platform which you want to grab hold of offers from and start promoting. You could use CPA Build, you could use the CPAGRIP. To go on to selecting offers right there. If you don't have an account on CPAGRIP, click on register and go on to filling out this form appropriately. You want to just simply focus more on the fields having these red asterisk signs right there, as they are actually the important fields which you must fill before your account can be created. Right here in this particular section which says publisher type, select either the website/incense or the GPT. Once you do that, you want to just simply scroll through to this section, read through the terms of services by clicking on this icon, and just simply check out these boxes right here and agree to the terms of services before clicking on register. And your account should be created almost immediately. If you do log into your account after it's being created, you should be shown a dashboard similar to this. Just simply come right here to the offer tools section and my offers, and you want to just simply go on to clicking on offers or selecting offers which you want to promote right now. Supposing I want to promote offers to the United States demographic, I'm going to select that right in here, and I'll be able to see more offers available to this demographic right now. If I do click on an offer such as this, I can see more details about this offer. That is a mobile install offer for my leads to actually go on to installing and using the TikTok application on their devices. It is also an Android offer, and the payout to this offer is about $4.71. You could actually go on to copy your link right here to this offer and go on to promoting that. But it's quite important that you actually promote a sweepstake offer right here. So I'm just going to change this particular country to something like the United Kingdom, and actually go on to getting a sweepstake offer, which is kind of a giveaway offer right now to promote. And this right here is an example of a giveaway offer. You can see this offer right now is actually giving away 500 euros Morrison gift card. You can then just simply see that it's an email and zip submit offer, which is quite more easier to go on to promoting and getting conversions for. The payout to this offer is $1.50. Here is your unique affiliate link which you want to use to promote this offer. So what you want to do is to copy the link and actually head on to this platform right here called the right.ly. If you do head on to the rightly right here, you want to just simply come right here, click on create new ad. After creating an account on this platform, you want to give your ad a name, and I'm just going to give it something quite simple. Let me just name it sweepstake. So if I name this sweepstake offer right now, I'm just going to go on to clicking on add, and once I do click on add, it's going to take me to this page right here where I want to just simply fill out these details appropriately. I can actually go on to selecting the ad type which I want to use, either the text, the video, the image, or the invincible ad. But right now I'm just going to go on to using the text right here, and I'm going to select the type which I want to use. Either I want my ad to be at the top, left, right, or the evil pop-up. I usually prefer the evil pop-up right there because it is mostly effective right now in getting some cool conversions. So right now I'm going to put in about 3 seconds or 2 seconds for this particular evil pop-up to go on to showing up after getting to the particular website right there. So you want to just simply fill out all these details appropriately right now. You could upload the profile picture right here for yourself right now. You can see this section which says sound to play. You can actually go on to selecting the sound, maybe the alert sound, the knocking sound. Select the sound of your choice right there, as you can see how that actually sounds. So I'm just going to put that on no sound. For the button text right now, you want to just simply go on to editing this right here. Maybe after inserting a text right here, you could just simply go on to editing that right here in this section right here to something like click here or claim now. So once that is done, for the button link, you want to make sure that that is the link to your CPA marketing offer. Do paste that in that section. For this description, you can actually go on to describing this offer a little more. Maybe I'm just going to go on to putting in something like going on to CPAGRIP right here. Copy this particular description. I'm just going to copy the description, head back to the rightly and paste in that right there. For the section which says profile name, I'm also going to go on to editing that to this particular CPA marketing offer title. So if I do go on to this section, copy that and head to this section and paste that in right here. As you can see, this is how it's actually going to go on to looking like. So once that is actually done, you can actually go on to getting your logo link and actually paste in a logo link right here if you do want to change this logo, and you could change the logo text also, and actually go on to uploading a particular kind of image if you do want to use right now. And once you're done, just simply click on done and this page will actually be set up. So once that is set up, we want to just simply leave this page open and actually go onto Google and search for a cool article which you want to just simply use right now to actually make money with your CPA marketing offers. And like I said, we're going to be using such articles legally for absolutely free right now. As you can see, I went on to searching for weight loss tips on Google and I saw a lot of weight loss images right here, a lot of weight loss articles. So if I do go on to selecting this one right now, you can see that this is the article right here, which is 10 tips for successful weight loss. All you actually have to do is to copy the link address to this article, head back to rightly, and right here you want to paste that in this enter destination URL. So if you do paste that in right here, for this section you want to just simply select the sweepstake offer and do go on to clicking on create link with ad. And what this is actually going to do is that it's actually going to go on to embedding your ad for that particular CPA marketing offer into that website right now, or that particular page right there. And you could then just simply copy the new link right now and try as much as possible to drive traffic to that link. And to drive traffic to that link, you want to just simply head onto this platform right here, which is called Twitter, and actually do use Twitter to drive traffic to that link. All you want to do is to come right here, click on post, and actually do go on to writing something quite amazing about that particular CPA marketing offer or that particular website right there, which you're actually driving traffic to, because we're driving traffic to this particular website for the weight loss tips. So you want to just simply write something related to weight loss. You can actually take advantage of this particular AI tool right here called ChatGPT to help you generate some cool content right there, which you could go on to using. And once you do post that, start driving traffic to that particular CPA marketing offer. You could also go on to using this platform right here called the admefast.com to do so, because with this particular platform you can actually go on to boosting your social media presence, boosting your followers, boosting your views, boosting your upvotes, boosting your reposts for that particular tweet, and a lot more other kinds of stuff right here using this platform. And this platform actually go on to using some kinds of credit right there, which you do actually go on to giving people right there. So you're not actually going to be giving them physical cash, you're just going to be giving them credits right now. And you can also get credits by just simply liking some other people's posts, commenting on some other people's posts, and doing some simple micro tags right there. So utilize this particular strategy right now to start earning money with CPA marketing, just like I'm making right here, and start doing this right now. So with this, you can actually start making some passive income with CPA marketing. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, do make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video, and thank you all for watching, and goodbye.